welcome to Recipe Small Kitchen, where everything is easy to make and delicious to eat. Hope all of you guys are doing super good today, and I am sharing a delicious rice recipe. We're going to be making rice with cilantro and lime, just like Chipotle style, basically, because I got inspired by Chipotle. Hope all of you can enjoy this recipe and can make it as well, because it's super easy. Now let's get started with the ingredients. I want to start showing you guys the cup that I use for my rice recipes, which is equivalent to 2 cups if you're using a regular measuring cup. I'm going to be adding 4 cups of water, 1.5 tablespoon of avocado oil, as well as 1 tablespoon of Himalayan pink salt, or to taste, of course. We're going to mix this very well, and I'm cooking this at medium-high heat. We're going to let it cook or wait for the water to start boiling, like you can see right now. Now we're going to add 3 cups of regular rice. What I did was I soaked it in water a little bit and drained it, and I just added to my pot. We mixed it well. We're going to wait until the rice absorbs most of the water, as you can see right there. We're going to mix it. And all we're going to do is lower the heat to low. Cook it for 15 minutes. After the 15 minutes, we're going to mix the rice again. That way we make sure the rice is cooked evenly. Let's mix. We're going to put the lid on, back again, and cook it for 15 minutes. So in total, we cooked the rice for 30 minutes on low heat. Now my rice is done, nice, fluffy, delicious. Turn off the heat and transfer the rice into a bowl. Now what I'm doing here, I already pre-washed my cilantro leaves. I'm just cutting it a little bit so it can be nice, small pieces, and adding it to my rice. I'm also adding lime juice, about 1 whole lime in a half. But also it's to taste, because if you want more, lime juice, you can add more cilantro. You can add, of course, to your liking. Now we're going to mix very well. And guess what, guys? That's it. Super easy, delicious cilantro lime rice. Hope you guys enjoy, and I will see you on my next video.